Hello. In this video, we will be discussing how to schedule an appointment via the widget. When we say a widget, this is what we're referring to, the public-facing side of the connector, which can always be accessible via this URL, or if your organization has a co-branded embedded widget with your colors and logo on your website, then you'll find the widget there. When you want to schedule an appointment via this page, you can always go here and see this information. As you can see, widgets are intentionally simple, only asking for requisite consumer information needed to find a health insurance expert nearby. Also, those doing outreach to the uninsured can use the widget to schedule an appointment on a consumer's behalf. First, you'll enter a zip code. For our purposes, we'll enter 30080. You also have different search criteria here. If you'd like to expand the search radius, you can do that here. Or if you'd like to narrow down by language, if you have schedules that were created by a specific language or locations that were created for specific languages, then you'll be able to filter by those here as well. For our purposes, we'll just say we enter this zip code and then we'll click search for help. You're then taken to the next page here where locations for in-person help will appear based on the zip code that you entered. As we scroll down, you'll see a number of locations that appear here that have been created. As you hover over a schedule for a particular location, you'll see that the button, if you're using our widget here on this page, then it will pop up here with these pins. Once you find a location that's right for you, we'll click the Schedule Online button. As we scroll down, the consumer or someone scheduling a consumer that's a part of your working coalition can then identify which appointment block works best for their particular schedule. So each of these appointment time blocks have been created in the connector admin, and as you can see, they're now available and publicly visible on our widget. So for our purposes, we'll click select here for this Friday. On this page here, you then enter the information for the consumer. First name, last name, and phone number are required fields. However, email address is not. But as you can imagine, this is an important field that we would like to capture if we can, just so it allows you and your organization to have additional contact methods with this consumer. Once this information is entered, you'll then click Schedule Appointment. As soon as Schedule Appointment is clicked, the consumer will receive an immediate text notification with all of their upcoming appointments information. They'll also receive a 24-hour reminder before their upcoming appointment, reminding them about their appointment with all of the information in it. If an assister has been associated with this particular schedule, they'll also receive an immediate email notifying them of their upcoming appointment. So both the assister and the consumer will receive notification emails and texts once the schedule appointment button is clicked.